How to use AI tools to make faceless videos on YouTube and earn money from YouTube without showing your face. Ready to make an impact on YouTube without showing your face? Here's how. Step 1. Go to vidIQ. Let it tell you which keywords and topics are best to create a YouTube channel. Step 2. Go to Chat. Go to Chat and simply say to it, "Hey Chat, give 100 ideas about this subject." Step 3. Go to MF. AI, amazing human voices are selected for your script to post. Step 4. Sign up to Fleeky. AI, create the videos from your text. Step 5. Go to Canva. Com, for making incredible thumbnails for YouTube. Step 6. Again go to Chat. Write a video title and description for this YouTube video. Your YouTube video is ready, just copy and paste it into YouTube. That's a wrap. Boost your YouTube earnings with faceless video strategies.